Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Himanshu here. You're watching Get Assist, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Seedance 2.0 and make videos like this in just few minutes. Officially, Seedance 2.0 is not accessible globally right now. As of now, it is only available in China and Hong Kong. Most of the people are accessing it using a VPN, but you don't have to. I will be showing you solid ways to use it without using VPNs. Go to Videoinu.com, click on Start Now, and you will see an option to try Seedance 2.0. Videoinu basically gives access to multiple AI videos, images, and audio models in one place. Once you log in, you get 500 free credits for Pro Tools, and you can also get 200 more credits by filling in a few details. Now, let's actually create something. And here, the biggest mistake people create, they overcomplicate the prompts. Don't write novels, just be clear what you want and what it should look like. Simple. Select text to video and choose a model. You can use Seedance 2.0 free version for unlimited generations and Seedance 2.0 Pro for fast processing. Adjust the aspect ratio and other settings. Then write your prompt. Well, here's the prompt on your screen. You can copy it too from the description box. The prompt is dark cinematic trailer scene. Long hero standing in a ruined futuristic city at night. Smoke and sparks in the background. Dramatic blue and orange lighting, slow camera pushed towards character, intense atmosphere, characters look at the camera and speak in deep, serious voice, natural lip sync, subtle cinematic trailer music, and distant explosions, epic movie trailer style. Speak slowly, deep tone, the world changed in a single night. And just click generate. And just like that, our Seedance 2.0 generated video is ready. Let me download it and show you the output.
The world changed in a single night.
Whoa, just look at the lighting, the camera movement, the background, the aesthetics, and the finishing of the face and dialogues. It truly felt like cinematic, not robotic. But if your video looks weird, don't panic. Just make the duration shorter, remove all the extra details from the prompt, and keep it focused. Well, also you can try image to video and frame to video models for greater controls. So should you use Seedance 2.0? Well, if you want to make cinematic short videos, want to create content from AI or do AI filmmaking, then you should use it absolutely. But stay original. Don't copy movie characters, don't clone real people, just stay original and create your own cinematic universe, because that's where the real power is. Now just go and create your own videos and drop your prompts in the comment section so that others can take inspiration from you and motivation from you and create their own short clips and create cinematic magic. And that's all in this video. If you find this video useful and informative, just hit the like button, comment down your thoughts and queries, and don't forget to drop in your prompts, what you use to make your videos, and just subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I will see you in the next one.